What's going on, guys? Back with another video. Today we're finally gonna be installing my exhaust today at my boy Josh's house, and he just texted me, so let me check on that. Yep, we got the okay to go over and do the exhaust. Another little thing, I got the GSR blades all polished up, getting new tires this Wednesday as of filming this video, which is the 16th of August. Bro, look at that. Oh my god. I need to get a actual camera. I can't just keep using my phone. There is a lot of room for improvement. See, there's still a bunch of scratches. Probably gonna work on it later tonight after work or something. But yeah, let's get started. There it is, looking all pretty. Woo! Yeah, here's the exhaust. It's just some eBay exhaust. At first, I only had the exhaust system itself and the headers. I tried to install it at my brother's house. I didn't have a test pipe and I was waiting for that. And I'm just now doing it, which is kind of whack, but it's okay. And the setup is honestly only temporary. I'm just hoping to quiet down the car because it's really loud because I don't have an exhaust.
The ladies gon' feel me, the fellas in the back, and they twisting up a belly. The dance flow silly, the ladies gon' feel me, the fellas in the back, and they twisting up a belly.
Got all the stuff in the car, so now I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little cold start. Honestly, it doesn't sound that loud on camera, but obviously for the people that have seen my car and heard my car, it's just loud. It's such a nice day out. Damn. Summer's coming to an end though. A few more things before I go into winter mode. One thing I really need to take care of is my radiator fan. My radiator fan doesn't turn on, so I have cooling. It's not really, well, it is kind of a cooling issue. The car doesn't overheat. It doesn't overheat, but I would really like to fix that for winter. Anything else I would plan for the car? I really, seeing my friend Jack and his turbo Civic, I kind of want to turbo my car, but I don't know, maybe, I don't think I will. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Oh man. What's up, dog? How you doing? You good? You good? Still camera shy? Still camera shy?
Sensor here.
Yes, sir. Look at Josh, the expert. Damn, look at these headers. Oh, bro. Look at Josh. Oh, look at how cute he is. Anyway, all right. Moving the first O2 sensor. Where's your safety glasses? Remember Mr. Y's class? You got it?
They're fucking nuts in this. Which one? You actually have glasses. Shit, it's falling.
Where are they?
Alright, yeah. This will be detached. I will drop these two nuts. What?
It's fucking smoky.
Yeah, that motherfucker hot.
I got some shit off. Oh, fuck. It's just hanging here. What's up? Probably should have taken these bolts off first before taking off the two that were somewhere here. I think, oh, there was these two. Yeah, got it off this hanger. Just got to get it off that one. How strong Josh's legs look. Mm-hmm.
I can like press like 6 times.
Damn, so those are the stock headers. Look at how fucking tiny those are. Look at how long this stock fucking piping is. And then you see my shit. Damn, this shit's fat as fuck. And it's long as fuck too. So I just put the O2 sensors in for that pipe and the headers. So now I just gotta go back under. We did a lot off camera, right, Josh?
Yeah.
A lot off camera. So now.
Clean work.
Damn. All right. Nice. Oh, damn. We ran into a little bit of an issue. My O2 sensor is a little too short for, where's the pipe? Is it still under the car? So my O2 sensor plugs in there, or like that's where the thing goes, right? And then, fuck, where is it? Oh, it plugs into this right here, and it's too short. So what Josh is doing, he is going to solder it with copper in hopes that it works better. Just ordered. Or you're not soldering. Extending it, same fucking wiring.
So not.
Shut up. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, Josh. Hell yeah.
Let me tell you, bro.
All right, it's a few hours later. Oh my God. My boy Josh, he finished it for me because I had to go to work. Oh my God, bro. Damn, that shit looks good. All right. I'm about to do a cold start.
You can give it a low. Is it actually?
Fuck.
Okay.
Just leaving Josh's house now. Some of the homies are gonna come and we're gonna go meet up, take some pictures for the night because it's a really not bad for an eBay exhaust, honestly. Ooh. This shit is loud as fuck. here while we wait for the boys. All right, we got some of the homies that pulled up. What's up, Brandon? What's up, Jerry? Oh man. Whoo. Bro, this is where I filmed my first video. Shit. Damn. Look at how fucking nice this shit is. What's up, Jerry? Got anything to say?
Yeah, shout out to my mans over here, bro. You got a Civic and shit, you feel? Best thing in the world.
You got anything to say to the vlog, Josh?
I don't fuck dudes, but James Charles, he kinda acting up, bro.
Jose, you got something to say to the vlog?
Yeah, look at the cars, bro. It's tight.
You got anything to say to the vlog before we go, Brandon?
Pretty tight. I respect what we're doing.
Damn. All right. Good night, guys. Thanks for watching.